this is Joy again for another handbag review. So I just thought, why not make an update about my Gucci handbag, which I bought brand new 20 months ago, way back September 2019, and still one of my go-to handbags. So if you like this kind of video, please continue watching. If you guys love handbags like I do, then you may like this video update of my Gucci handbag. And if you also want to see the unboxing video of this bag, then you can check the link of that video from the description box. The bag is inside this Gucci dust bag, but now let's get into the bag. So let's open the dust bag, guys, and let's reveal the bag. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Yay! Here's the beautiful bag. So this is the Gucci Marmont Matelasse in size small, red with the golden hardware. So I just want to show you the outside first. So this is the front. To be honest, there's no major change in the leather of the bag. So the leather of this bag is lamb skin, which is very soft, very smooth, and very buttery. It still look like before when I bought it way back 2019. No major change with the leather. So this is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks at the back of the bag with this beautiful heart shape gilt at the back of this Gucci bag, and this kind of outline here. The leather, the back is still good as it was. No major change. This is the side, the other side. Going back to the front. This is the double G hardware in gold. Still as beautiful, still as elegant. And this is how you open this bag. It got something you press at the bottom of this logo here, or this flap. So you just need to press the button here and you open the bag. So it's still leather on the flap, at the back of the flap. Here's the rest of the strap. The top got leather, the top of the strap got leather, or what I call the shoulder pad. So it's this one is the inside now. We're in the inside of the bag already. Nothing. No major change, no scratches. Lambskin leather. This one got one zipped packet. Let me remove these things first and see better. So this one got one zipped packet. That's the only packet it has. And then the bag is lined with microfiber lining. Let me show you. Gucci tag plus this what do you call this one? Serial number behind the tag. There you go. Okay, so let's talk about this bag. This is still one of my favorite handbags. I still love to wear this bag because you can, You can wear this with any type of clothing as well. You can wear this formal or informal, even with just jeans. It goes with almost everything. And this is such a classic bag. Everything's still great about this bag, including the lambskin leather, the gold hardware, and even the microfiber lining. I don't see any scratches, any wrinkling. I'm really happy with this purchase. The only thing that I can say, there's only one negative thing that happened with this bag. It's just because like any other flap bags with this kind of, with this point of entries of the straps, like 1, 2, 3, 4, the same with my Chanel classic flap bag. They got the same problem, and that is just the pulling of, because this, when you wear this strap, you are actually pulling the flap upward. You're pulling it upward because of the gravity of the bag itself. So you stack this bag, so there's a gravity going down, but you're wearing the shoulder bag, so you're actually also pulling the flap upward, which gave this kind of situation. See? Now the opening is quite bigger. It's not like before when it was like brand new. It's really like that close, like so, like that. But because of that upward pulling here and downward pull down of the gravity, it gave this kind of squeezed form with the bag, squeezed form. So the same thing actually happened with my Chanel flap bag. So that's the only comment that I can say, or not so good thing that happened with this bag. Otherwise, still very happy with this bag. Good size. You can just put enough of the important things or necessary things that you need to bring. You can just put. And that concludes our video for today. And please check the description box for the unboxing and what you can fit into this bag video. Please check out my other videos and please continue to support the other videos that I will be making in the future. Thank you guys for watching and see you again. Bye.